Welcome back on this Saturday night, Emily. What a gorgeous Saturday out there. It's already August and people were at the beach doing whatever they could to get outside and enjoy that sunshine today.
It's just been fantastic.
Yeah.
The only thing is, if you're getting out there, you're probably noticing up to the north anyway, some of that haze and even a slight breeze. So that breeze kind of taunting some of the golfers out there. So this haze though is going to start to thicken up across the region as an air quality alert goes back into effect late tonight. I'd say past midnight and all the way through your Sunday afternoon and evening. And though we are looking at this air quality alert impacting all of these counties, smoke doesn't have a border, right? So it's going to look a little hazy at times. As we take a look at our smoke tracker to keep things on tab, we are going to be looking at the heaviest, thickest plumes starting into northern Maine and New Hampshire as we go towards our Sunday afternoon. And this does look to continue to really thicken up as we go into our Monday. So even Monday's looking pretty hazy out there for now, but we do still have that alert only in effect for now until Sunday evening. We haven't seen that extend into our Monday yet. But as we continue to look at the hourly forecast through our Sunday, we'll still be remaining mostly sunny. A breeze from the south-southwest about 10 to 15 miles per hour with occasional gusts up to 25. Temperatures topping out into the low 80s for the majority of us, which is a perfect day if you are trying to get out there for the Lobster Fest in Rockland, or again, checking out the Portland Music Festival on Back Cove. But as we continue to look at our Monday, even though with hazy skies, we are going to be looking at a chance for a pop-up shower that does remain as we go into our Tuesday as well. But overnight, we are still going to be looking at temperatures ranging into the low 60s by our afternoons going forward through the rest of the 8-day forecast. We'll be bobbing up and down between the mid 70s to low 80s, but look at all the dry conditions that we have extending into that 8-day forecast. And the reason is all this high pressure is staying right in place. It's really not moving out of here. And that's another reason why we are watching that smoke just trickling into the region. So right now, mostly clear. As we go into the evening hours, we'll be cooling back down to the mid 50s. 40s up to the north, so we're starting to get a little chilly at night for some of you guys, but eventually we'll start to warm back up to the low 80s. A southwest wind, 10 to 15 miles per hour with occasional gusts up to 25, will stay around for the majority of our afternoon, so a little gusty at times, but overall hazy, and that air quality alert will be the biggest impact. Once the smoke is out of here, as we get towards our Monday and Tuesday, we'll be looking at the problem of it is so dry. We are worsening in our drought conditions, and I'll be back to tell you more about that. Connor?
All right, sounds good. Thanks, Emily.